I'm voting for home because as a parent, I know every child needs stability to thrive.
I'm voting for home because home is everything.
Dwi'n pleidleisio dros gartre oherwydd bod cartre yn sylfaen i bob peth. Mae gan bawb yr hawl i gartre, dechre a fforddiadwy, a mae hynny lles i iechyd meddwl, i iechyd corfforol, addysg plant, ac hefyd lles a bydd cymunedau ar draws Cymru.
I'm voting for home because everyone needs a place to call home.
I'm voting for home because it is the foundation for all of our health and well-being.
I'm voting for home because all of us as human beings have a moral right to decent housing.
Dwi'n pleidleisio dros gartref oherwydd cartref yw'r sylfaen, y platfform y mae pawb angen i gallu symud ymlaen mewn pob ffordd arall gyda'i bywydau.
I'm voting for home as home is a human right.
I'm voting for home because every human being needs a place to call home.
I'm voting for home because I believe that everyone has the right to a safe, secure, suitable, and genuinely affordable home.
I'm voting for home because it's the foundation for a safe and secure life. If we can get the home right, we can get education right, we can get health right, we can get employment right. It is the foundation that we all need.